Hello everyone, I am Hani Santosh Sankhe. I am from SAS Institute of Management Studies. Today I am going to start about storytelling for personal grooming and personal effectiveness. So let's see this. My movie name is Voter. We are watching in many time of this movie. So let's see. This movie is directed by Mr. Reddy and publishes 5 April 2019. So let's see. There are two main lead characters, Vishnu and Surbhi. This called Gautam and Bhavna. So let's see this movie. This movie is a conceptual movie and thriller also. And this movie is a concept of change the system path of is the idea of recall election. So let's see this movie. Gautam, who works in USA, come back to India to cast his vote. In this process, he fall in love with Surbhi and propose to her. Surbhi lies in one condition to Gautam that to accepting the love of Gautam, he fulfill the particular task related to dated the central minister. She will okay with his love. What is the task? How will Gautam fulfill it? And what obstacle did he face in this process? That form of rest of this story. So, detailed explain of this story is Gautam. Vishnu is a NRI person. His colleges and boss seem impressed with in one scene. He get to them. He visit in India to cast his vote. It's a funny moment of is when a MLA pass and traffic officer to jam the road in a traffic. So Surbhi means a Bhavna passes this road and see it this. So fault of misfortunate and she help with Vishnu to um, partner with this act when the police cordon off road to minister pass away. Next next is next twist of this movie is Gautam is making his a full-time job to follow her everywhere because of he loves her. Bhavna asked him to make the local MLA, local MLA Pasani Krishna Murli fulfill his election promise. If he want to win her, just get him off and her back. So concept then the Vishnu going to MLA for Pasani to fulfill the all promises and get idea about and how is a blackmailing. These are a blackmailing to uh, complete the all promises who's given for people and winning the election. This so the concept of recall election has been executed well in the film. The question rise on a several politicians in the country look novel and have been nicely executed by director Karthik Reddy. Some political scenes in the first half, Pasani track and Vishnu speaking high about his country. All these episodes have been showcased well. Voter film is that aim to make the Janta of India open their eye to power key, hold their hand with the power to cast the right vote or to recall. When we are not satisfied in our this, there are work. So we are recall election. These are a fear of election leader uh, for a vote. The film aimed to make the clear that it had the index finger that the power of lies. Had he film released before election, maybe would we have a more relevant, but with the concept of recall is a hold and true. So we are considering this movie in many concept of this movie. So this concept of movie is recall election. So basically this concept or idea of movie is change of the our system. This process of executing is very difficult. They are using social media. In Indian democracy has a four steps: politician, judiciary, law and media. So we don't have to shut up if we don't have their support too. So they choose a social media to change the entire system of our country. The progress of social media post has changed their entire country. For this movie concept is a totally acceptable and growing of our country and fear of politician. Thank you.